Hello everyone. My name is Ahmed Al Ghunaimi. I'm a senior student at BMU University in Saudi Arabia, Al Khobar. This is my final research project about civil engineering. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the oldest in engineering, and it deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of structures or public works as they are related to earth, water, or even in space. Civil engineering is also known as the mother of all engineering. Who are civil engineers? Civil engineer is one who build the structure that meet function, looks, cost, and reliability specification. He's the one who solve regional pollution or environmental issues, gives a new direction to the world through his incredible ideas and innovative construction, and he planned, design, and supervise construction of transportation system, water system, and communication networks. So the history of civil engineering is an ancient. It was used as surveying for flood prediction. John Smithson was the first civil engineer in 1761. Seven wonders of all the world are all feats of civil engineering. Statistics say that civil engineers saved more lives than all doctors in the history by development, clean water, and sanitation system. So here are the marvels of civil engineering, like buildings, flyovers, canal, dams, bridge over waters, and underwater tunnels. So today I'm going to talk about building technology, concrete technology, disaster management, environmental engineering, structural engineering, transportation engineering, water resources engineering, geotechnical engineering, and hydraulic engineering. For building technology, as the name suggests, deals with how technology is used in construction and infrastructure industry. It also deals with construction methodologies and building materials that can enhance the function and performance of the structures. For concrete technology, are the most widely used building materials in the construction industry for over 100 years. So this construction material have been enhanced and developed to fit to the usage and requirements at site. Several research are happening around this concrete technology to increase durability, strength, and performance of this building material. About disaster management, is the branch close to civil engineering industry, as it's important because the structures are prone to natural or man-made disasters and calamities. Corrective, preventive, and mitigation actions are to be chosen and developed carefully to ensure the life safety of the users. For environmental engineering, with rapid urbanization and industrialization, demand of natural resources have increased manifold. This makes it important to protect or manage these resources, ensuring sustainable development. So, water management, pollution control, waste management, and recycling, they all are major civil of environmental engineering. So let's move to structural engineering. Structural engineering is the backbone of civil engineering and is one of the most sophisticated branch in civil engineering. The subject is very advancing over time. This branch basically like deals with analysis and design of structures. The design materials are usually wood, concrete, steel, PSC, and other materials. So this branch has always attracted young civil engineers to pursue a career in it, and deals with the design of buildings, bridges, dams, boards, and other structures. So for transportation engineering, we can design, construction, and management of roads and highways is a serious business. From the concept stage onwards, there are multiple stages involved like traffic survey, functional planning and design, operation, and management of transportation facilities. Almost care is given to safety and efficiency in design to produce a convenient and economical design. For water resources engineering, primarily deals with hydraulic behavior of water. It can be considered as sub-branch of environmental engineering, as these two branches share similar functions. It deals with the collection, supply, disposal, and recycling of water. It's a major business in developed countries and yet to achieve momentum in developing countries. So for geotechnical engineering, geotechnical engineering is the branch of civil engineering concerned with the engineering behavior of earth materials. It uses the principles of soil mechanics and rock mechanics for the solution of its respective engineering problems. It also relies on knowledge of geology, hydrology, and other related sciences. So geotechnical engineering also has an applications in military, mining, petroleum, coastal, and ocean. So the fields of geotechnical engineering and engineering geology have knowledge areas that overlap. However, while geotechnical engineering is a specialty of civil engineering, engineering geology is also the specialty of geology. So for lastly, for hydraulic engineering, hydraulic engineering as a sub-discipline of civil engineering, it's the application of principles of fluid mechanics to problems dealing with collection, storage, control, transport, regulation, measurement, and use of water. So before beginning with hydraulic engineering project, one must figure out how much water is involved. The hydraulic engineer is concerned with the transport of sediment by the river, the interaction of water with its alluvial boundary, and occurrence of score and deposition. The hydraulic engineer actually develops conceptual designs for the various features which interact with the water, such as spillways and outlet works for dams or for highways, canals, and related structures for irrigation projects and cooling water facilities for the thermal power plants.